Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is Friday night and I have a little bit of a haul that I want to show you. And I don't know why I said a little bit because we have a lot to talk about. I'm really excited. I hope you guys enjoy these types of videos. If you do, give this video a thumbs up and let's go ahead and get started. I'm very excited, guys. I can't not stop buying makeup. Now, it wouldn't be such of a problem if, sorry, I'm also trying to log into my computer while I'm talking. It wouldn't be such a problem if I was making money on YouTube, but I'm not. So everything that I buy and I don't get paid for sharing. But if you would like to help me get to that point, you can subscribe down below and you'll get notified every time I upload new videos. And that will help me out a lot. You know, just keep watching my videos, keep thumbsing up these videos. I love sharing and I love, you know, just the feedback that I get from you guys because it makes me feel good. It makes me feel like I'm actually helping you guys. So anyway, let's go ahead and get into this bag now. That was a lot of rambling on, but let's go ahead and get into what we are here for, right? The first thing is, and it's not even in the box, but it is this resurfacing retinol serum from CeraVe. It reduces the appearance of post-acne marks and pores, helps restore the protective skin barrier, and improves skin smoothness. I wanted to introduce a retinol into my skincare, and I've heard good things about this product. It's dermatologist tested and developed. Anyway, so I definitely wanted to give this a try. I've only used it once, but when I used it, my skin felt immediately smooth. So it will be interesting over time to see how it affects like the texture on my skin, things like that. So I'll definitely keep you guys up to date on this, but I am very excited about it. Next thing, which is also not in the box, it is this Real Techniques limited edition Enchanted Passion Potion Blender. And it's got really fun like heart confetti in the brush. It would be fun if it had like a liquid in here so like it wasn't all just at the bottom. I wanted to get it. I saw this brush and I really wanted to get it because I wanted to, I've seen Goss makeup artist, he uses a brush like this to apply his foundation a lot. And so I wanted to try a brush like this. Plus I just thought it was really cute and I like how big it is, so that way, you know, application of foundation might be a little easier and faster. So definitely will give this a shot and let you guys know how it goes. All right, the next product is from DHC. It is their Deep Cleansing Oil. This product is, I've repurchased it several times already. It is just a facial oil. It helps remove and break up makeup. This is what I use, and then I go in with a actual cleanser or soap to double cleanse my skin and really get it nice and clean. I really do like this product. I need to just buy the full size. This is just the traveling size. But I feel like it lasts me a good enough amount of time that I don't necessarily feel like I would have to spend the 30 bucks or so that the full size is. But again, you know, whatever, maybe one day I'll get the full size and that way I can refill the smaller sizes as well. But I've already emptied two out and had to repurchase it. So that tells you how good it is. I don't like using makeup wipes. I feel like they're really harsh on the skin and even harsh on like if you're removing the eye makeup, you know, you're really harsh on your eyelashes. And this is just really more gentle on your skin. Plus it's an oil, so it's going to be good for your skin. All right, so the next thing is I really wanted to try, this was an Allure award winning beauty product, and this is from Fresh. This is their Floral Recovery Calming Mask. It evens skin tone and texture. And I heard really good things about this and I wanted to give it a try. This is like the first product that I've ever purchased from Fresh. And I know that Fresh is a really popular brand. And so I'm really excited. Hopefully I get good things from this and I will definitely let you guys know how it works. Okay, the next thing, I've purchased several things that have won Allure Best of Beauty. I wanted to give them a try because if they won an Allure Best of Beauty, you know, there has to be some ground to it. It has to be a good product. So it is in my hair right now. It's this clip, and this one, based off of functionality and I believe just the look of it, guys, when I tell you this is the best hair clip in the world, I'm not even kidding you. It is the best hair clip. It literally holds my hair in place, and I know it's not going to move the whole day. Hair is short right now, and so, you know, short hair people, it's hard to get all our hair up at once, and this clip works great. I can't even tell you how many times I buy clips and they either don't hold my hair in as well, or they end up breaking, or they're just, you know, they're just a cheap piece of, well, you know the word I was gonna say. Anyway, so this literally floored me when I tried it the first time. I had my mom try it, I had my sisters try it, and they were all amazed as well. I was so impressed with it that I bought 2 more. If you find something that works, you know, you gotta buy as many as you possibly can, because you never know when they're gonna stop making them, or they're gonna be sold out and you're gonna need one. And I mean, they're hair clips, so, and they're metal too, so the probability of them breaking is slight, but again, I don't know. This is also from the Hair Edit. These clips are $9.99, so they're affordable, but they're definitely a little bit more of a higher price point for a hair clip. But I mean, there's a reason why it won an alert Best of Beauty. Because I was so impressed with that hair clip, I was just like, okay, now let's just buy a whole bunch of hair accessories. So I bought myself another clip. These are all already out for the purchase, but I bought these one from the brand Kitsch. You know what? They're not as impressive. After using those hair clips, no other clip really impresses me. Anyway, this one's a little bit bigger, and so I'm probably gonna have to wait till my hair gets longer to use that one, but I just thought it was really cute. All right, the next product that I got is from Jaclyn Cosmetics, and it's her Pout Drip Lip Oil. And I got mine in the shade Rosé Drip, and it is a lip oil, so it's going to be definitely nourishing and hydrating to the lips. I liked it because I didn't feel like it was too sticky. I felt like it was a pretty glossy, but not too messy, and didn't slip around as much. It just felt really like grippy, and just it felt really good on the lips. I don't even know how to explain it. I'm not great at explaining things, so just be aware of that. But I have been enjoying this from the couple times that I've used it a lot, and so I'm excited to eventually get more of her shades. But alrighty, the next is from LA Girl. This is Perfect Precision Lip Liner in the shade Bear. I am so impressed. This was, I believe, maybe $3 lip liner. Guys, let me just swatch this for you really quick. First of all, I love the shade of it. I mean, it's basically what it says it is. It's just a very skin tone neutral kind of shade. But what I love about it is that it's not too drying to where it's gonna like pull and tug on the lips when you're lining your lips, but it's not too creamy to where you feel like it's just going to slip and slide around and it's not going to last a very long time. It's like the perfect in between. The color is beautiful. It glides onto the lips super smooth. It's just amazing, and it does last a long time. I really enjoy this a lot. I can't wait to pick up more from this brand. And I got the shade Bear because I felt like it would be a perfect shade to pair with lots of different lip colors. The next thing I got, which I have already tried before, and for some reason I threw mine away at some point, but now I'm just kind of like, I want it back. So I repurchased it again. It is from Milani. This is their Keep It Full Nourishing Lip Plumper Gloss, and I got mine in the shade Champagne. This is a beautiful, just kind of milky pink gloss. It's perfect to go over many different lip combos. And I love the slight tingling feeling it gets, and plumps up the lips just enough, not too much. It's just gives you a little something extra. Is from Tarte. This is their Tartelette Tubing Mascara. Now, the only other tubing mascara I've ever tried is from Thrive Cosmetics. That is an amazing mascara. So I definitely want to try this because I've heard good things about it, but I don't know. I've tried it once already. I wasn't too impressed with it, but with mascara, for me personally, it takes me quite a bit of time before I actually, you know, get a good opinion on a mascara. So I'm going to keep trying this and let you guys know. But I did get the mini size just because I didn't want to commit to full size yet. All right, the next product is a eyeshadow primer and color corrector. It is just a nude brow pencil. Basically, it just highlights around the brow bone, and you can also use this on your waterline to kind of highlight your waterline as well, just to kind of add a little bit of light to your eyes. And I have used the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Pencil for years now. It is probably way expired, and so I definitely needed to repurchase something. I don't think Wet n Wild sells that one anymore, so I wanted to give this a try and see how I like it. So I'll let you guys know. All right, next is I bought 2 different color lip liners from Milani. This is in their color statement lip liners. These are great lip liners, drugstore price, but I got mine in the shades Spice and Natural. These, I just really wanted some good, reliable lip liners. I'm currently testing out different lip liners right now. Just know that the Milani ones are good and reliable. This lipstick right here, now, I get on these kicks where when I see a lip color, I'm like, I need it. If you haven't seen, a couple years ago, I did a Finding the Perfect corally, pinky, kind of neutral kind of shade, very similar to what Audrey Hepburn wore a lot, especially in the movie Breakfast at Tiffany's. Anyway, I will leave that video for you guys in the iCard if you want to go watch it. But again, when I see the perfect lip color, I'm just like, I had to have it, and I go searching until I find it. So I will see if I can find the picture of the lip color that I'm showing you. Girl that she was doing a reel, and she had the perfect lip combo. The lipstick was just beautiful. Like the whole thing of it was all beautiful, but I wanted to know where she got that lipstick. It's on Amazon. They don't sell the lipstick from what I could see, so I had to go searching for myself. I found this from Anastasia's. This is in their satin lipstick, and this is in the shade Peach Ember. Now again, going back to that other picture that I just showed you, I'm expecting like this like warm peachy brownie orange kind of shade, right? This is what I purchased. The packaging of this lipstick is beautiful, but so when you open it up, it's kind of like that's kind of mauve looking, right? It's kind of a mauve tone looking lipstick. And then I swatched it. You look there, it still kind of has that mauve tone to it. And so again, I was like, I'm kind of still bummed. So I put it on the lips. I'm gonna put it on the lips for you guys so you can see. And it's definitely not super close to that shade in the picture. But once you have it on the lips, and I'm not close to a mirror, so I can't really see how well I did applying that. But once you get on the lips, you definitely can see more of that warm peachiness in the lipstick. And so I'm still kind of on the hunt for that shade, that perfect shade. But I do really like this lipstick. I love how it applies. I love the formula of it. I do feel like it lasted a good amount of time. I mean, for a bullet lipstick, I mean, once you eat and stuff, it's kind of fade away. And that's why I like finding a lip liner that is long lasting, because if I have to go and reapply my lipstick throughout the day, I'm fine with doing that, but I do not want to reapply my lip liner. So with that being said, this is a perfect formula. I really love it. I feel like it wears off beautifully too. And I really do like the shade. I like that it definitely, once you put on your lips, you know, it definitely has more that peachy, kind of warm tone to it. I mean, it's not so mauve looking, which I would have still kept it, honestly, if it wasn't that way. But I'm glad that once I got on my lips, it kind of gave me a little bit of that vibe. But I'm still on the hunt, guys. I'm still on the hunt. But for now, I'm kind of on a no spending kind of deal, because this haul is a lot. Alright guys, that is it for my Ulta haul. Honestly, I am super excited for all the products that I have purchased in this haul. Definitely will keep you guys updated on what I like and what doesn't work for me. A lot of these products I have already tried and love, so I will again leave everything down in the description for you guys. Again, if you like this type of video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to be notified of future videos that I upload, smash that subscribe button and you will be notified every time I upload a new video, which is hopefully every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. That's the plan. It's kind of been a little bit of a rocky start, but we're getting there. So thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!